Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting diary. If this is your first time to the channel, please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get more videos just like this one. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining our crafting community. Alright, so I got this glitter party bags from Five Below, and I'm going to be using my sublimation paper. I have already printed out my image. I should have did it smaller, but it's fine. And I'm just gonna heat press it on here, which I have to do it this way. So we're gonna see how that works. Here I'm just going to be using some regular copy paper to sit on top of it to press it. I do have the Teflon sheets, but sometimes the ink will seep through, so I just don't want to use it. This is just a practice. I just wanted to see if it works, but it does. And you want to make sure that the pressure is like your handle is tight enough when you press it for the pressure. I don't know how to explain, but you don't want to do what I'm doing now because it's going to mess up the image. It's going to make a ghost look, but you'll see how it turned out at the end of the video. Oh, kind of messed up. Shit. It messed up right up in here. It wasn't secure all the way down, so it kind of made that ghost look, but it's okay. And then these you'll have to glue back, but I didn't want them anyway. But try it. I wanted to try it out, but as you can see, it did the ghost on it, but it did work. It's just because I kept messing with the press, but it did work. The handles will come off, so you'll have to either hot glue them back together. But this was just a practice to see how it turned out.